We're starting out. Looks like it's gonna be an annual toy building project. So we got another project this year. And what we noticed was on here, all the edges of the truck had exposed wood and the tires, and we really didn't like that. So we just went through and laid all the pieces out, and we gave them a spray paint of just black primer. So that's step one. We'll let that dry for what about like 4 or 5 weeks, something like that. Maybe like come July we can put it back together. Okay, good. So we'll let this dry for a couple months, and then we'll come back and do the full-fledged assembly. So back in a little bit.
Painted, right? Now we're gonna put these things on. Okay, so we're gonna put those on, and then we'll be back to start doing some assembly. And go. Yeah. So you gotta read the instructions. Put the bottom on. Okay. So you want to use your short nails. Grab your short nails out of there. There's 3 holes, so I'd say probably 3 of them. I don't know if I want to put my finger here. There's pre-drilled holes there. Here's all you should have to do. Let's find the first one here. Push it through, get it on there. Oops. I'm gonna take your hammer and give it a little tappy tap tap. I'll hold it here. You just take your hammer, just give it just a little tap. Okay, don't rip my hand off. Be still in the hole. See if it's still in the hole. Still in the hole. Okay, just give it a little tap. Okay, hold it. That's good. Good. Let's put the other ones on. I'm gonna get them all started before you start. Yeah, that one's starting in the hole. Give that a couple taps. Okay, oh, that's kind of crooked. Okay, give that a couple more taps. Yes.
You know what they say if you go to work like that? Here, you know what they say if you go to work like this? How much of that hammer handle did you buy? How much did you buy? You should be holding it like this. And then you say, I didn't buy any of it. My dad gave me the hammer.
Oh, that nail didn't hold very well.
Right?
Give that one a few more whacks. Hey, how much of that hammer handle did you purchase? Huh? How much did you purchase? Did you whack yourself in the tooth with that thing? Maybe. Okay. All right. Give her the berries. So here, let's just try using the hammer like all the way out like this, okay? There you go, just like that. There you go. Oh, wait. We don't need to be above our head. Okay, there you go. Hey, no, we don't need to break the wood. Oh my goodness. Yeah, well that nail will be in 20 minutes from now. Okay, how come every time you hit hard, you miss the nail completely? This thing is not at all. This is not. It's crummy design, I think. Look at it. It's offset there. It'll still work. Okay, give it a couple more. Yeah, I just don't want to die. Hit it square. Hey, stop. Hit it square. Okay, like this. You hold the wood and I'll smack it. No. Got it? Yeah. Alright, okay, so now we got this done. That looks really bad, but whatever, it's good. Okay, so number 3. Put the top on. So flip it over, put the top on. Done. Where's the top? Okay, get your nails in. You learn anything from the last time we did this? Nope. Put your nails in there. Hurry up, these people don't want to stand here all day waiting for you to do this. Yeah, let's get in the holes. Get it started. What are you doing? I can't get in the hole. So just push it down like that. Now it's started in there. Okay, give it a couple taps. A little more. Okay, that's good. Now put your other ones in. No, you gotta feel it with your finger till you get it in the hole. Put the other one in too, because you gotta get them all started. No, can you feel it going in the hole? No. Okay, give it a few taps. A little harder is fine. Okay, now get the middle one a little bit. There you go. And get them all, all the way down. There you go. A little more, good. Give both of the outside ones a little bit more, they're not quite flush.
Hey, how much of that hammer handle did you purchase at the hammer store?
A little bit.
Did they have a sale?
Yeah.
Was it like 75% off? Because you're only using like a quarter of that handle.
I know.
Okay. Next section here. Oh, we should have read the instructions here. Nail only one nail as shown. Ooh. Yeah, we are going to be in trouble. Oh, that's where the long... Oh. All right, we're going to have to pause the video. We got a lot of work to do here. We got to fix this. Hold on. Okay, so what I did was I used this. You can see I marred it like crazy here. But, if I would have followed the directions, would they had that problem. So anyway, I'll get those out. That gets covered up anyway by this other block of wood with the long nails. So we'll get that fixed. All right, that's what you get for following my instructions instead of the actual instructions that came all the way from China.
Look here, we gotta make sure rounded ends face out. And I did notice that when I was setting these up for painting. So we only painted the one side. And this one is, look at the end of this. This end here is rounded. This other end is square. All right, so that'll be good. Let's make sure we put all the nails in. Yep, it's asking for all 6 nails. So you start putting your nails in there, bud. Let me get these. These are the ones that we incorrectly put in the other piece. All right, you want to give that one a couple taps?
Yeah.
Carefully. Yeah, a little more. Yes, good. Now put the other nails in. So take this one here, and you can kind of like feel when it hits the spot where it's supposed to be. There you go. Give that a couple taps. Okay. Nothing you can handle putting in your next nail?
No.
Yeah, I know you can't.
Go hit it in the face like the other one.
Yeah, I can hear people screaming already. We're gonna have to like fast forward large portions of. Why do all your videos involve lots of fast forwarding?
I don't know, Marco.
All right, so give that a couple taps. Okay, from my count, that was 700 taps. So maybe we can get to the next one. Okay, can we try to use a little more of the handle? Like maybe go halfway up with it? No, it's not really half, but let me. Okay, give her.
Maybe I have to hold the side.
Yeah, give her a couple whacks. Here, you afraid to hit my hand or what? Are you threatening me? Alright, give that a couple more. Why is that? Oh, that's not nailed on top yet. That's right. Right. Give that a couple more. Give these 2 nails a couple more whacks. Pay attention. Do it decent. Okay, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. This one here, couple. Okay, I'm not hiring you. Right, how about this one right here?
This one here? Here?
Yeah, it's good. It's good. You don't want to hit it on an angle. You're gonna get all sorts of dents on there. Right, this one here. Get your nails. Stop your dancing. We didn't hire you to dance. We hired you to assemble this vehicle. Is this gonna happen today? It's not that funny. Right, give that a couple taps. Stop. Yeah, I know it's a couple taps. Couple 2, 300. Couple 2, 3. There you go. Okay, give that a couple. And this one here. Well, I could, but you're not gonna have it in the right spot then. Okay, count them in. You use a little more of the handle, so you don't look like you don't know what. There you go. That's getting there. There you go. Give it a couple. There you go. Okay, there you go. You hit the wood 700 times. That's good. Okay. Hey, that's getting better. Okay, but we don't need to break the wood in the process. So that looks like it's got something. We're good there. Okay, we're good. Yeah. Okay. So that was 4. Go to 5. You gotta put the roof piece on. What does this warning say? Choking hazard. So don't choke on that roof. Okay. Right. Where are your nails?
I don't know where it goes.
Well, the angled side would be to the front. There you go. Get your long nails.
How is it going to fix it there?
You'll figure it out. So you take your nails. Get in that hole that's already been. We pre-nailed that hole so we can get these going easier. We put those shorter nails in there just to get things started there. There you go. You notice this is where the painting we did really comes in because now it's really starting to look like a truck. You give those a couple more taps to get nice and second. Well, hit the nail. Okay, that's something. All right, now we gotta put the axles together. So get your pieces of wood for your axle wood.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you don't know why those things are not black because they're fine enough, let me show them to look at.
Yeah, I don't know. We might see the backside of these wheels. You probably should have painted the backside. Then we would have had to wait. Okay, get your nail. Your nails off your pan over there.
1, 2.
Yeah, we've almost got like an hour into this video already. Let's get this done.
I don't know what to do.
Hold on, is it in the slot?
I'm pretty sure not, but yeah.
Okay, give her a couple. 75, 100, 300, 375, 400, and 1,000 hits. That's gonna be one annoying video to watch. All right, get her nail.
Yeah. And I kill myself. This one looks like that. That one.
Wait, all the. Oh, why do we have another tall one? That seems weird.
Yeah.
Should probably read the instructions. Well, we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
That nail was pretty crooked. Oh boy, that's. I'm pretty sure that didn't go in the way it was supposed to. All right, so then we gotta put them down like this, and then put the wheels through the wheel holes.
I don't think so. They go through there, but yeah.
Wheel holes. Okay, you got more nails?
No.
Yeah, see, we can see the backside of those wheels. We should have probably spray painted the backside of those too.
Yeah.
That's all mud from the last mud race you went in. That's what was stuck on the inside. You just didn't pressure wash that off. Yeah, now just try hitting the nail. Okay, hit it again. Hit the nail, not the wood. All right, get another one in there. Mm-hmm. A little more. Hit the nail. You're not even, look at you wrecking the wood here. You're not still hitting the nail. Look at that. Can I have the hammer? Can you hold on to the truck?
Okay, I don't want to kill myself, but yeah.
Alright, so that's all together now?
Yeah.
Come on, give more. You hold it? Alright, so that's that. Looks like it's something. Alright, so now we just gotta put stickers on. See over here, we did 7. And then the backside says to do whatever you want. So, I'm guessing you just put stickers on so it looks like that. So, we'll do that, and then we'll come back.
Yeah, right there?
I think so. You got it somewhere in the middle? It's not too bad. Okay.
I gotta put it on.
Alright, come on.
We should paint this.
Didn't we already paint it? Ooh, that one's not centered very well.
Right here?
Oh, that looks pretty cool. Oh, no, it was for a second. No way, if we stick it down. Yeah. You want the truck one? Hopefully the paint we use is not going to affect the stickiness of these stickers.
Yeah.
Okay, that one's down good. This one's down good. Oh, that's not even on the right vehicle. That's like you put it on someone else's car right there. You were so far off. Yeah, I want to peel that one off and hold on to the car ones. Yeah, get the little wheel lugs, line with the wheel lugs.
Yeah.
There you go. That's better.
Now should we do the hood?
Sure.
Okay,
It's gonna be a tough one.
yeah.
So you're gonna get the
Look for the headlights going
get the headlights on the front first.
Like right there.
You stick those headlights down good. Let's see. There you go. Well, it looks looking like something.
Should we do the top right now? It just said top on it. Okay, yeah.
So where does that go?
Um,
Probably on the top somewhere.
yeah, this 3, 2 panels right there.
Yep. There you go. There you go. Now you're thinking.
Right there.
Hold on. We got a whack here.
There.
Start.
There.
There. Look there. Oh, I messed that up.
Yeah, you just did.
Okay, push that down. There you go. Oh, perfect. Good teamwork on that one.
Yeah. You can do it.
Okay, like this, and then hopefully this is. It's not too bad. I hope this sticks to the paint we have on here.
Yeah.
All right. What is that? What is that thing? It says front. Did we forget something? Oh, there you go. Let's put it on.
Yeah.
Which side's the top? Which side's the bottom? The instructions did not specify. Oh, wait. Yeah, it is on the red thing goes on the bottom. There you go. Can you get it on there?
Right here?
No, the red part goes on the bottom. There you go.
Okay.
Just line it up at the top. Here, line up this edge here. Line that up with the top up there.
Right there.
Yep, close enough. It's just a monster truck.
Yeah.
Okay, what else we got?
No.
Sides? You put the sides on?
Yeah.
That's not a side thing. Don't worry about that one for right now.
Yeah.
Just grab a side.
Okay.
You can get this side. Here, I'll go this way, so tip it upside down.
Like,
There you go, yep. Oh, wait, you are, yeah, no, that's pretty good. No, never mind, sorry. First I thought I incorrectly told you it was wrong, now I incorrectly told you it was right. The hood part isn't the hard part here. Just about like that. Can you push down the hood a little bit? There you go, yep, perfect. Okay, now let me set it down good. Well, it's not perfect, but it is made out of chunks of scrap wood, so... Well, looks pretty good, though. That might just be whoever cut the wood might have cut it wrong. Alright, one more side piece. Something here, want me to try it again? We made a good team last time, let's try it again this time. Okay, stick the hood down, there you go. Oh, I'm a little off on that one. These seems to peel off way easier than I think they should.
yeah.
Try it again, yep, stick her down. There, at least we're more centered on there this time. Not that the picture was centered for the video, but whatever. There we go. Okay, we got that, and then we're gonna put that other sticker on the back of this thing, or where's that supposed to go?
I don't know where it's going. Can we push it?
It's gonna fit on the back.
Yeah,
There you go, put that on the back.
Yeah.
Because
Back.
they don't really show where that one goes. There's no
Yeah.
instructions.
Let's go right here.
Okay. Stick it down good. Oh, you got her?
Yeah, up there. Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's gonna be a lot of fast forwarding in this video. And then what are you gonna do with that round sticker? That one, and the last time that one didn't say it was supposed to go anywhere either. I think you just put that on your forehead. Just stick it up on your forehead.
I know what's going.
Well, where are you gonna put it here? Maybe on the bottom? I don't think it's gonna fit on the bottom. Oh, it's gonna fit on the bottom. We should have probably. It is kind of a cool monster truck looking thing. I know, but it's too big for that.
Tire?
Oh no, it's not on the tire. Oh. Maybe we'll. I don't know.
Where do you want to put it? I don't think we can get it on the back without wrapping the sides. Bottom, it won't fit. I don't know what you're supposed to do with that one.
There.
Yeah, perfect. And with that, complete.
Yeah.
Hold, nope. You gotta hold the truck up. Be like, I built it myself.
Yeah, I did.
All right, have fun.